Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. Canada just open pathway. Move to Canada with your family. Move right now. This is work visa. It is a work visa. Yes, this is golden opportunity for you to move with your family right now. Start applying. Start applying, dear people. Many people don't know about this, but I decide to bring it to you. Call your parents, call everybody, friends and well wishers. Now is the time. Move there now before December 2024. It is like a study, but they will bring you through the work permit. The first thing to do is to start applying. Go into the program and start applying right now. But they need experienced people, people that are experienced in healthcare. You have to show them that you are experienced people. Healthcare, they are calling you doctors, nurses, they are calling everybody. You are qualified to do it. Anybody that have healthcare certificate, you are qualified, but you have to prove that you have experience. They need the recommendation letter, they need uh, any care related certificate. They need it, present it to them. That is, if you are nurse, you are automatic qualified. You don't need to stress yourself too much. The program is just 45 weeks. 45 weeks online. You can do it anywhere you are, even if you are in Nigeria, in Qatar, in anywhere. You can do the program. When you do the program 45 weeks, in short, you will do the program online 30 weeks. After 30 weeks, then when you are qualified, when you pass the program, they will issue you something you will use to apply for visa. They will link you to hospital where you will start working. You don't need to hustle for employer or sponsorship or for work. You don't need to stress yourself for work. And on getting there, you will complete 15 hours clinical placement. You After completion, you get automatic work permit and resident permit. You don't need to stress yourself at all. This is the easiest way I've ever seen so far. My dear people, please be fast about this thing. But first of all, gather all your documents. I used to tell you, gather your documents and keep ready in case of uh, opportunity like this. This is new and many people don't know about it. What is it called? It's called PTA Pathway. What is it called? It is called PTA Pathway Canada. You can type it in Google, then you will see everything you need to know. Just type PTA stroke P and P Pathway Canada. Type what? PTA slash P and P Pathway Canada. Then everything will open for you. You will start to apply. Apply now, my dear people, because it's easy way to go. I cannot see nice thing and I will not bring it to you. My dear people, what are you still waiting? Please share our video so that others will know, so that many people will benefit. This pathway is easiest. You know that Canada always make everything easy. Canada need people. Canada is most civilized people on earth. They accommodate everybody. They make their things very easy. This program won't last for long. Only uh 45 weeks. 45 weeks. Everything, let's say when you enter into this program, between 6 to 9 months, you are there working with your family. Ụmụnne, wele na ihe a kesaa na ya ka ndị na-amara amalụ maka ndị chọọ ije Canada. Yes, I've introduced to you one of our sister living in Canada. She is a lawyer. Do you remember her? You can ask her for help if you need her help. Like you don't need any help. just apply, start applying. Ọkwụnụ chete mgbe anyị na nwanne anyị nwaanyị anyị bịalụ live. This program will issue you visa. You see, immigration, migrate to Canada. Make their goal of moving to Canada reality by exploring. Iflia Canada na-eme ihe ya simple, ọ na-adị afịa arụ izonye ụkwụ na Canada, everything fa na-eme simple. Ya bụ pathway nke a jisi ike ga anya before ending of this year ka ọ bụ na ịgalugo ebe ahụ. Try your possible best. Try. God will perfect the rest. Put it in prayers. God will perfect. Move to Canada with your family. Una afugie kesa na ihe anyị ndewo.